you very much, Laura. I've been hollered at by a lot of good people over the course of a number of years, and I'm still standing. So, everybody here, first of all, I'd like to words of welcome to Teaneck. If you are not already a Teaneck resident, we have a sizable and I'm sure lively audience here, and my job hopefully will be just to introduce the panel and to direct questions as they come from the audience. So let me start off right away by introducing the panel to each of you. First of all, to my right is seated Bob Duchesne, who is the Chief of Staff to my good friend, Congressman Steven Rothman. Bob does work out of the Washington office. We are pleased that he is up in New Jersey and here as part of our panel. As you well know, the Chief of, or as most of you should know, Chief of Staff in a congressional office is a pretty important job, and somebody who has to keep up on all the ins and outs of what's going on in the House of Representatives. So I'm sure Bob will be an excellent resource for us as questions come on what, if anything, is happening in Congress on health care. To my very left here is Dr. David Mark Hodges, who I also welcomed to Teaneck when he informed me that he lives here. So, I'm not going into partisan politics. And Dr. Hodges graduated from the NY School of Medicine. He did his postgraduate training in internal medicine at Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center and Boston City Hospital. He specializes in internal medicine and cardiovascular disease and is certified by the American Board of Internal Medicine. He's currently affiliated with one of our neighboring hospitals, Englewood Hospital and Medical Center. So welcome to our panel, Dr. Hodges. And to my immediate left is Dr. Martha Livingston, who is Associate Professor of Health and Society, is that correct? Health and Society at SUNY College, Old Westbury. She teaches and researches U.S. healthcare, comparative healthcare systems, international health, health policy, medical ethics, and women's health, and she was the recipient of the 2003 SUNY Chancellor's Award for Excellence in Teaching. She's a vice chair of the Board of Directors of the New York Metro Chapter of Physicians for a National Health Program, a member of the editorial board of the Journal of Public Health. She lived and studied in Canada. She researched and wrote on the Canadian healthcare system, which should be interesting to us, and has many, many other awards and honors here. So with that, I would like to start off our panel. Did you decide? Okay. Oh, I'd like to start off our panel with the movie we're about to watch. Did we actually get that worked out? Huh? Okay, you're like a technological genius here, Seb, if you can't do it. Okay. Okay. Bob? Okay, then we're starting off with Duchesne.
That's all, folks.
Who the hell do you think you are? Move it a little bit to the right.